Dan, coming to you from Kel's Motor Group in Minnesota with the Trac Vac 580. We are one of the largest Trac Vac dealers in the United States, and right now I'm going to walk you through the assembly process of assembling a new Trac Vac when we get them. If you buy them from Kel's Motor Group, you will receive them completely finished, assembled. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you get them in, they're coming in a large wooden crate. And then what we do is we take off all the bolts. There's basically about 8 bolts that hold this whole gray part on. And then what we do is take this trailer right here and we tip it over upside down, and we add the axle holders to the bottom down here, and we put the axle on and put the frame on and shove the axle through the frame, and then we're able to put the wheels on. Now once the frame's on, the wheels on, the axle holders are all bolted in place, now we can tip it up, and we got no top, and we got the engine assembly. So at this point, we can go ahead and we can bolt on the engine. Actually, we can bolt on the engine assembly onto the frame. There's 4 bolts here, and then we can go ahead and put, well, make sure you have this on when it's upside down, so that way it's able to stand firm. Put this on, go ahead and put this piece in here, tighten this up, pop this on, it just basically comes on, shove it in this hole like this. This piece right here has a pin, put that in there. You go ahead and put your hose, tighten it up with a flathead screwdriver, and then you just clamp this into here, clamps into place. Let's see here, one more clamp. That simply clamps into place. And now your hose is on there, your engine's on, your wheel's on, and obviously I guess I forgot you're gonna have to bolt this back on the top. When this comes together, this piece right here will not be on here. So you're gonna have to bolt this on place, and you put your tailgate on. And then you're done, it's completely assembled, and you are good to go.